Hi and welcome to the video training of PHP. In this video training we will be learning about read-only properties that have been introduced in PHP version 8.1. So what are read-only properties? Read-only properties cannot be changed after initialization, that is after a value is assigned to them. They are a great way to model value objects in data transfer objects. Value objects are often immutable. Properties are initialized once in a constructor and should not be modified afterwards. PHP currently has no way to enforce this constraint. The closest alternative is to declare the property private and only expose a public getter. So if we go to the PHP.net website, that is the official website of PHP, and if we go to the features, here you can see read-only properties, and here they have given an example of how you can declare and use read-only properties. So the example I'll be going through is here I'm choosing an online editor because I don't have PHP 8.1 installed on my system. So if you use this website, it's a very good website and they have almost all the versions of PHP starting from 4.3 till 8.1.1. so I'm choosing 8.1.0. Here I have declared a class test and I have a public property that is read only and it's called prop. Then I have a constructor which receives a string prop and it initializes the read only property prop with the string received. At the bottom I'm going to test and create an object of the above class test. I'm going to pass YouTube channel, and if I click eval I get YouTube channel, which is here var dump. I'm var dumping the property, so it's a string with 15 characters. And the most important and the actual functionality of read-only properties is that you cannot reassign another value to them. So if down the line I'm assigning foobar to test property, I'll get an error. You see, cannot modify read-only property test. So this is the main functionality of read-only properties. I hope that you have understood the core functionality and usage of read-only properties. Here is the code, and I'll upload the code to GitHub and you can download it from there. If you have 8.1 you will be able to run it, otherwise no. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. Just put an S at the end and you'll get to the channel URL. You can also contact me if you need any help. Thank you very much.